Hello guys, today is an important day for OnePlus as it embarks on a new journey with the launch of its first ever foldable smartphone, the OnePlus Open. So let's go ahead and unbox this new smartphone and see what it has to offer. OnePlus Open comes in a rather unique packaging and unboxing is an experience in itself. Let's unlock this mini suitcase and there it is, the OnePlus Open in the flesh. OnePlus Open comes in two captivating colors, Emerald Dusk, which has a stunning green colored matte frosted glass back, and a Voyager Black with a classy vegan leather. There are no points for guessing which one's my favorite though. The phone is incredibly light and compact, making it almost unnoticeable in your pocket. Weighing at an average of 239 grams, it's on par with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. When unfolded, it's just 5.8 mm thin, and when folded, it is 11.7 mm. OnePlus fixed the biggest pain point of foldable phones by getting rid of the bulk. To achieve this, OnePlus has optimized the hinge, the display, and the cameras without compromising durability. The hinge follows a single spine architecture, reducing the number of parts to just 69 while still maintaining quality. The display features ceramic guard for added toughness. Plus, there are 3 layers of protection to ensure it stands up to the daily wear and tear. Finally, OnePlus has used cobalt alloy and titanium alloy to minimize size and weight while increasing durability. It's quite remarkable if you think about the level of sophistication that has gone into this device. Folding and unfolding the device feels remarkably smooth and durable, plus you don't feel the crease. Both the displays look beautiful, but OnePlus has clearly put a lot of effort on the interface to make sure the apps are optimized to the T when used on the big display. With an aspect ratio of 20:9 for the 6.31-inch display, I think OnePlus has hit the sweet spot when it comes to putting that cover screen to better and more practical use. The secondary display is a lot bigger, measuring 7.82 inches diagonally. Both having 2K resolution fluid AMOLED panels with up to 120 Hz of dynamic refresh rate, it's just a visual delight. The apps are snappy and fit the screen properly without any odd orientations. Keeping its signature alive, OnePlus Alert Slider takes its place on the phone. But what's really impressive is how there's no gap, absolutely none, when the phone is folded. OnePlus has put a smart use to that bezel on the inner display, and I just love it. Even when the phone is in unfolded state, it is as straight as a foldable can be without any gap. One big part of the phone is the camera, quite literally. Look at that massive circular model, and it's not for nothing. OnePlus Open boasts a powerful triple camera setup combining a 48 megapixel main camera, 68 megapixel telephoto camera, and a 48 megapixel ultra-wide camera. The Hasselblad branding is hard to miss, and it is a welcome feature. There are 2 options for selfies. A 20 megapixel camera sits on the primary display, and a 32 megapixel sensor is found on the secondary display. OnePlus Open is powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor with 16GB RAM, 512GB UFS 4.0 storage, a 4805 mAh of battery with 67-watt SuperVOOC charging speed via the USB Type-C 3.1 port. This is surprising considering OnePlus Open comes with an 80-watt power adapter in the box. So let us know what you think about the OnePlus Open and stay tuned for the review of the smartphone.